What are you doing? Right, well today is a great day because I have these. So if you've ever thought about starting a t-shirt shop, or if you need to create some shirts for like an event or your company, print on demand is a really good way to do that. Teespring is the print on demand supplier that I've started to work with to create my brand. We'll see how that continues to go because, you know, who knows with prices, and maybe there's something better out there. But I wanted to see what the quality of these shirts is by ordering a few samples. So in this video, I want to keep it simple. We're going to open these up, see what they look like. I love a good graphic tee. Actually, underneath this shirt, I'm wearing a graphic tee from FanFest at the Pikes International Hill Climb 2025. And this is part of my inspiration. So with that being said, let's unbox some shirts. I don't even remember which ones that I ordered, so I could go and check, but also this is going to be a little bit more fun to just kind of open these up and see what's inside. All right, let's see what we've got in this first one. I think I ordered 2 t-shirts, a long sleeve shirt, and I think that's it. Okay, this is the legendary tuner shirt. This is an extra large. Fold this, and let's see what we're working with here. Yo, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, and the shirt itself is like, I ordered black, but this is a really solid black color. This is nice. I have always wanted to start a graphic design t-shirt business. I dabbled in it when I was in high school, and then again just after college, and my goal coming into next year, so this is summer 2025, by summer 2026 I want to be able to have a booth at the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb Fan Fest next year, selling enthusiast focused shirts to people just like you, whoever the 60 people are that actually watch this video. Okay, this is the long sleeve one. Oh, that's clean. Stay driven. Let's go. And this is also, okay, so this is a Gildan Ultra Cotton. This is another extra large, but this is the long sleeve. That's a good one. Last one here. Didn't even need the knife. But the knife is so much more fun. Wait a second, did I order 2 of the same shirt? I think I got 2 of the 1989 Prelude. Yeah, this is another extra large Gildan heavy. Okay, so I've got 2 of these. So maybe what I'll do is I will, maybe I'll give one of these away to somebody. Maybe I'll just go to, let's just go to a car show and just give one of these away. So if you missed how I created this shirt, I have a whole nother video on how to cartoon any car based on just a simple photo and then turn it into a shirt on Teespring. So if you guys want to get one of these shirts or one of the other versions that's out there, I think I did a GTR, and I think I've done, man, what are the other ones that I've done? So instead of guessing at this, let's just take a look at the website. And this is the designs. It's a legendary tuner car P 1989. This is the 1989 Prelude. The awesome design. And then of course we've got the Stay Driven. We've got the Rising Sun. We've got the S13. We've got the Subi Rumble. Got the JDM Legends Rising Sun. And also we've got a few stickers, some other things. S13 Sylvia Desk Mat. So I'm gonna have to order one of those. I think that's pretty cool. And then of course we did do the ZR34 GTR and the Evo 5, which I also did a video based on old Mitsubishi Rally Legends, which is pretty cool one too. I'm trying to keep the price point on these right around about $20. I mean, I've got to play with the price point that Teespring is giving me. And that's one of the things that I want to be able to change, and I don't know if I can change that when I start to get more volume. Obviously, I haven't even made one sale yet. So if you want to be on the ground floor of Driven Graphics and the launch, go check it out. But I think more than that, I would love to have just anybody that's a car enthusiast check this out and let me know what you think of the designs. Let me know if there are designs that you'd want to wear. These shirts feel like they'd be great to wear to a meet anytime. And so I know here in Colorado it starts to get cool after about September, but we still have stuff going on for the automotive community. And so having a long sleeve shirt that you can wear to a meet is always a super cool option. I think one of the things that I'm going to focus on too is instead of having the designs on the front of the shirt, I want to do more designs on the back of the shirt. And so like the Evo 5, this is the design on the back. And then you've got a smaller pocket design on the front of the shirt. I'm going to probably order some samples of those here soon as well. That would be the only other thing that I haven't liked about this experience with Teespring is that it seems like it takes a while for the shirt to get to me. So it was about 2.5 weeks maybe before I got the first shirt in, and then they kind of came in sequence. And because I can see the back end, I could see that they were being printed, but it just took a little bit more time than I wanted it to. As far as the sizes, any of these shirts can be done in a variety of sizes. So that's one of the cool things is that Teespring makes it super easy to do these in all kinds of sizes. This is the R34 design, similar to the Evo 5, but you've got the front pocket design, and that is the kanji for legendary, and then it says legendary tuner underneath. So trying something a little bit different than what I did with the legendary tuner P1989. But you can see that these all come in a small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL, 4XL. Got the R34 in various colors. So this one comes in that black, that navy color, and then also a dark gray, I believe that is. Yeah, graphite. And then this one is just, this one's on white or gray. And I did that on purpose because I think that design looks better with just one of those two colors, but I could be wrong. If you want to see some other colors of the shirts, dude, let me know. This is the passion project from me to the automotive community because I love cars so much. And I wanted to be able to do something that would allow me the ability to get back to my local community, but then also just produce something cool for anybody that likes a car. If you've driven one of these cars, I know personally, I have driven a lot of cool cars when I was doing some automotive review stuff with my dad, and he got me into this when I was a teenager. And so it's stuff like that where, having a shirt that you can wear while you're out in the garage working on your car, and then having a shirt that you can wear that represents your love, your passion, that you can wear out to an event or to a meet. Like, it's just like one of the things that I want to be able to contribute to the community. And I'd love to get your feedback on how, what the things that you'd want to see a design company create for the community. So I guess subscribe if you want to see me go to a car show and give one of these shirts away. Maybe I'll throw in like one of the tuned Hot Wheels or something if I can find a car that matches the Hot Wheel. That'd be kind of cool. And then other than that, man, this is just the beginning of the journey. So if you want to see more Photoshop content, more automotive design content, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And other than that, I hope you have a blessed rest of the day. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.